So, so what London means to me, it's a really difficult question because it's such a contradiction for myself always, since I'm here now a year and a couple of months, something like that. I came to London because I knew that I had to run from the kind of life that I was leading in Barcelona. That was very important for me, and I didn't really mind where. I just knew that I had to just leave that city as soon as I can. And I decided London just because, because it's easy, because London, it's an easy place where you can find a job, you can speak English, so my English was even worse than the one that I speak now, but at least it's English. And I didn't really have any kind of expectation, so it was, let's see what I want to find there. And actually what I wanted to find out, it was something more about me than from the city. And when I came to London, I was very surprised, because to be honest, the vibe, the initial vibe, it was not very good. When I was in Barcelona and people were asking me, but why to Barcelona, to London, because London is so cool, and everyone was, with this idea that it's so cool and maybe too cool, no? And I was not, I didn't thought that I could find something really interesting here in London. And but I was very surprised, because London is much more than this cool thing. London is a city where you can find such different kind of people from absolutely everywhere. This is one of the things that I most like from here, that it's very colorful. You find people from absolutely everywhere, a lot of cultures, a lot of languages. You walk in the street and everyone, you can listen to different languages, and you meet people from all over the world, and you can learn so many things. And I was not used to that. When I was in Barcelona, I was always with my Spanish friends, so I was not used to meet people from other countries. So this is one of the things that I most like from London. Actually, I think that one of the most interesting things from London for me, it's kind of a big school for everything. But on the other hand, it's a city that it's too much competitive. No, it's I don't know, there's a lot of people who comes here, to get some money. People comes here to get some money and then come back to their countries, or for a project, or because they want to be an artist or something like this. Looking for an opportunity, let's say. And in this sense, you can really feel it in the streets. It's a very competitive and aggressive city, and that's not comfortable for me at all. This is why I know that I could not live in this city forever. My time in London, it's fixed. I don't really know how long I'm gonna be here, but not forever. Maybe the opportunity for myself is to know something else about me. But for me, it's been very interesting, because it's not. I don't think it's London. I think it's just me. That my situation here, it's completely different than my situation in Barcelona, especially because here am I alone, and in Barcelona I was always with a boyfriend besides me. And so this is very interesting for me, to know myself alone. And to know yourself in a city like London, it's kind of a challenge. because because it's not an easy city at all. And sometimes it's a bit discouraged, I don't know how to say, but it's difficult to find yourself when this is kind of your goal in a city like this, because it can be very difficult. And it's a city where is it difficult to you know, to feel, at least for myself, to feel that you are part of it. I mean, from my point of view, it's like I'm watching the city from outside. I'm always an outsider because I cannot, you know, I cannot engage to the London thing, to be honest. I mean, I'm really happy to be here. I'm really happy to, you know, to have met the people that I've met. I've met really, really interesting and nice people, and I'm very happy for that. And I'm happy to keep learning things in here, but I cannot get engaged to the London thing. I'm still trying to understand what it means, the London thing, because because at some point, you know, London is in the UK, so London, it has part of the English thing, no? So I'm still trying to understand what does it mean, this English thing, that it's something kind of scary even for me. In the sense, it was very interesting because I watched a movie like last week, Sleep Furiously, an English, a very English movie, and for me it was very interesting to watch this movie because I really wanted to know what does it mean, this English thing. I really wanted to know if these English people are as they present them, because in London it's very difficult to find the English thing. You are always surrounded of people from everywhere, but it's difficult to find the real English thing. And so yeah, so it was very, very interesting for me to watch this movie and to see that this English thing, it's not that different than the Spanish thing, or maybe the French thing, or the Portuguese thing. And yeah, it was interesting because for me, I always felt that this English thing, it's something very, very apart from me. I seriously hardly understand the English, but then I saw this movie that it's about, you know, like a very English town, a little town in Welsh. So you see how they, you know, how is their day-to-day life, and it's such a, you know, very similar to our, but still there's something different. I cannot define that, but it's something different that it's different. It's difficult for me to understand. So yeah, I'm here, and because I'm here, and I want to learn as much as I can from here. I want to get something of this. Well, not get to share it, because I don't think I can engage to this English thing. But I would like to really understand what does it mean. So I'm still here trying to understand it. I think I'm not gonna really like it. I don't really think so, but you know, it's always interesting. And yeah, but the main thing is that it's, for me, the main thing of being in London is that I really changed a lot in this year and 2 months. When I came here, I thought, you know, I cannot be here for a long time because this is not part of me. And you know, the more time it passes, the more I think, yeah, well, maybe, you know, maybe 1 year more. There's a lot of people that has told me that this is something that usually happens in London, you know, that you come for a year and you stay for 5 years or something like that. I'm completely sure that this is something that it's not gonna happen to me because of the weather and because this atmosphere is too much competitive for me. I really need something more calm. It's not about calmness. I don't have any problem with big cities and a lot of movement, and you know, because it's interesting to be in a big city in the sense that you've got a lot of culture. I mean, lot of different things to do, but I need something more real, and London needs everything but something real. Although it's interesting, but it's not real, and at the end of the day you need something that you can get attached to. So I guess, yeah, I'm gonna stay here for a while more. I don't know how long more. I mean, as long as I can keep, you know, getting things from London and the people who are around me, I'm gonna stay, obviously, but at some point I will have to say that's enough, because I will need something real. And to be honest, I don't really know what does it mean, this real thing, but I'm sure that I cannot find it in here.